Tech Ratchet, report. What's your status?
Decepticon fire everywhere, sir! We're pinned down!
Ratchet, have you located the intelligence officer?
Affirmative, sir! Unfortunately, so have the Decepticons!
I need her processor in one piece. She's carrying valuable top-secret access codes. They must not fall into Decepticon hands.
Something's wrong, Doc. I can't move my leg.
Ow! For starters, you're in shock. Stay with me now. What's your name, soldier?
RC, sir.
Name's Ratchet. Got that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Ratchet.
Now listen up, RC. This is an electromagnetic pulse generator. I'm going to temporarily overload your consciousness center so I can do a field patch job.
No! You could delete the access codes. They're too valuable.
Don't worry. It'd take a much stronger blast to do any damage to your memory core. Let's get you out of here, soldier. Too hot above ground. Better take the old tunnels. Eat my dust, Deceptor creep!
What are you hiding, Metabot? Wouldn't be an Autobot intelligence officer by any chance. That all you got? You're gonna put me to sleep.
I'll put you to sleep, all right.
Your magnetic powers won't work on these cables. Carbon fiber, non-metallic.
You Decepticon scum!
Oh, I'm not one of them. Name's locked down. I'm what you call a bounty hunter. Decepticons pay real good for info, battle plans, access codes. Your friend should net me some sweet upgrades. Of course, you know what I really live for. Hunting trophies. Like my new EMP generator. Be like.
There he is!
You must have some primo data in that processor, Intel bot. Cause you're gonna get interrogated by Megatron himself.
Bring me the prisoners, bounty hunter.
Use it on me. Full blast. Wipe my memory core.
What? RC, no.
Ratchet, the access codes in my processor are crucial to the war effort. If Megatron gets them...
What the?
Overloading the EMP! You all right, RC?
Who's RC? Where are we? What's going on? Do I know you?